GLOB System ALU Satinizing Adapter is the latest project of GLOB Tool Factory. It is designed for 125mm angle grinders with infinitely variable speed control system. We have a large selection of grinding wheels including cloth, non-woven grinding fabric, also wavy, and special brushes for aging wood. The lightweight and durable design allows you to work comfortably with the tool. Satinizing adapter assembly. In the set you get a screw-on height-adjustable cover, tightened to an aluminum holder, a 100 by 100 by 19mm cylindrical grinding wheel, a mandrel for screwing into the spindle of an angle grinder, and a wrench. In addition, on the box label there is a QR code for instructions on how to install the adapter. First of all, measure the diameter of the flange of the grinder on which the adapter will be mounted. It should be compatible with the model of the adapter. In this case we are dealing with a diameter of 42mm. The diameter marking is located on the aluminum holder of the adapter. Then place the adapter in the grinder and tighten it with an Allen wrench, immobilizing the adapter. The Allen wrench is not included in the kit. In the next step, tighten the metal mandrel to the spindle of the grinder and install the cylindrical grinding wheel. Once assembled, the device is ready for use. All types of cylindrical grinding wheels of sizes 100 by 100mm to 125 by 100mm with a 19mm bore can be successfully used in the adapter. New in our offer are wavy non-woven wheels available in coarse, medium, fine and very fine grades. Be sure to set the speed correctly on the sander. The permissible speed is 3,200 RPM. The resulting texture depends on the pressure, the type of cylindrical grinding wheel used and the skill of the operator, among other factors. Detailed information is available on our website.